a good picture. I bet that horse is camouflage. What are you? I'm Darth Vader. Oh, you are? That's cool. Yep. That's what I wanted to be anyways. Okay. Who's next? I am. I got this for you so that we can both be princesses together. That's awesome! Yeah, I know. It's a crown. Cool. Ah, my crown just popping off.
No, Yay, Bobby.
So yeah. Do you want to get a picture with both of us being princesses? Yeah. Okay. I'll get the crown on. One second. I better take off my glasses just for a minute.
You're holding my bubble.
What are you talking about?
Bobby, told you I said this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here.
You're holding my bubble.
Ah.
Holding my bubble.